annual Airplane Pull, hosted by United Way Mesa County and the Greater Grand Junction Sports Commission, is the ultimate team-building experience that showcases the remarkable strength of our community when we come together to achieve a common goal. In this gigantic tug-of-war challenge, teams vie for glory by attempting to pull a mammoth 100-ton Boeing 757 aircraft. With a coveted trophy and bragging rights up for grabs, each team goes head-to-head in a double elimination showdown, with scores determined by the time it takes to complete each attempt. With food trucks, music, a beer garden, and other fun activities, the Airplane Pull ensures a day of fun for all. All proceeds benefit local nonprofit programs right here in Mesa County, whose services support 50,000 of our friends and neighbors. Learn more at www.uwmesacounty.org.